Hi students, welcome you for English class. Today our revision part is about singular and plural. What is nouns? You know that nouns are naming words that name people, places, animals and things. Now here we can see two pictures. One picture is that of beautiful flower and other picture is that many beautiful flowers. Here flower and flowers are common nouns. Flower refers to one flower in number. Flowers refer to many flowers or several flowers. So, flower is singular and flowers are plural. A countable noun that denotes one person, place, animal or thing is said to be in singular number. For example, computer, tax, branch. But a countable noun that denotes more than one person, place, animal or thing is said to be in plural number. For example, if computer is singular, computers are plural. Tax is singular, taxes are plural. Branch is singular and branches are plural. Now, let us look at the few rules to transform singular nouns to plural nouns. The general rule is that we add s. So, house, book, stone, comic become houses, books, stones, comics respectively by adding a s to the singular nouns. But nouns like dress, watch, virus, box, brush become dresses, watches, viruses, boxes, brushes. So, see that nouns ending in ss or s or ch or sh or x to make plural by adding es. But what about the nouns like family, city, activity, enemy, which are ending with the consonant and then y? How do we find the plurals? We find the plurals by removing the y and adding ies after then. So, family becomes families, city becomes cities, activity becomes activities, enemy becomes enemies. But if we have nouns which end with the vowel and then y, like monkey, ray, essay, boy, how do we form the plural? In that case, we just add s. So, monkey changes to monkeys, ray changes to rays, essay changes to essays, and boy changes to boys. For nouns that end with the vowel and then an o, like video, zoo, studio, how do we form the plural? We form by adding s. For example, videos, zoos and studios are formed by adding s for each of the nouns. But for the nouns ending in consonants and then an o, we form the plural by adding es. For example, buffalo becomes buffaloes, echo becomes echoes. But this rule has few exceptions. Look at the exceptions. Photo, piano, which all become photos, pianos by adding s, not es. Nouns like shelf, life, half, which end with the f or fe, then plurals are formed by changing the f or fe to ves. So, self, the F is changed to VS to get selves. Life changes to lives. Half changes to halves. But this also has some exceptions like safe, chief. In these cases, we just add S to form the plural. So, safe becomes safes, chief becomes chiefs. In some cases, both forms are accepted. For example, hoof, hoofs as well as hoofs. Dwarf, you can write dwarfs as well as dwarfs. Then some nouns completely change in their plural forms. For example, tooth changes to teeth. Child changes to children. Ox changes to oxen. Then now some nouns have both singular and plural or same. Sheep, sheep, deer, deer. But some nouns are always plural. For example, spectacles. We say spectacle, we never say spectacle. Spectacles, jeans, trousers, scissors are always plural. Now, let us rewrite the sentence correctly. There are many churches in Goa. Now, here we have used are and many. That means we are referring to more than one. So, church is not correct in this sentence. What will be the correct answer? Here, there are many churches in Goa. It is the correct one. Look at the examples given here, children. One picture, 5 pictures. One atlas, several atlases. One class, many classes. So, what did we learn today? Today, we have revised about singular and plural nouns. We have also revised the general rules that we follow for converting or transforming singular nouns to plural nouns. Okay, children. Now, take your classwork note and do the following exercise given. First, fill the index page with serial number, date and topic. After that, take a new page to continue the exercises. This is the first Roman. Complete the table using the singular or plural forms. Look at the tabular column. Here there are singular nouns. How to change to plural. So plural also will be there. So you change to singular. This is the second Roman. Rewrite the sentences by changing the underlined nouns into their plural form. So the words are given in a singular. You have to change into plural form. And this is the third Roman. Here you have to change the underlined nouns into their singular form. So complete all in your classwork note. Thank you, children, for watching this video.